My earth strong, so I just come in the bush because the place too noisy, you see it. So I say blessed love to everyone of foreign. Big up to my brother and my sister them, and big up to Miss Kathleen Bryan, Giselle Naidu, Shernet, Natalie, Kashwa. Big up Kira and Lando. Big up Miss Beverly. And big up Uncle Neville, Mr. Stanley Bryan. Lord God, Miss Kathleen Bryan, you love me, you know. When you make me nice for my birthday, so I say I'm born a weed. Without. Drink a dragon, the happiest family me have in the Bryans family them. Giselle Naidu, you show me love and you stand by me. And your people them get to love me. Auntie Lynn, Miss Kathleen Bryan, Mr. Bubu Bryan wife. Auntie Valerie, Auntie Bev, always there for me. Uncle Neville, thanks for everything all these years. Natty Bean, big up yourself. Big up Tony up at Farron, big up Mr. Vern. Yeah, I see me there on a Roswell seat there. Me there I see, come look like a marsh. Today my birthday, the 30th of April, 1973 born. So you know today I'm 48. I'm never late, I'm never straight. I don't go down the corner, I don't go around, so I don't go around, so I don't come back around, so I just go straight. And when you reach the intersection, you go straight. And when you go down there, so, you don't go left and you don't go right and you don't go around, you just go straight. You understand? Alright. So right now, to the whole world who's watching Dog Rice ever since, with Dog Russell, I'm here left see. I'm going to try out some Irish marsh sell. Boy, I don't even know, I have to store it. Because I try to put on £50 for my friend in my foreign right now. Father was in foreign, I don't even know where in foreign, but I know him that foreign. And some marsh did deal it from last year, but the weather was bad and Father was can tell you how my foot is sick. And now somebody would know so the foot could have get better, so good, let me show you. Alright there, so you know. Right there, so you see it. Right there, so let me get the next burn there, so. But to me have good skin, I mean Irish marsh, it get through good. Yeah. A big sucker pass man, not too big man. Water chin man. Alright man. So they got Miss Kathleen Bryan, Uncle Neville, Auntie Valerie Bryan, Giselle Naidu, Shernet, Natalie, Kashwa, Shay, Kira, Ush, and big up all of my friends and my friends, because I know it's a Dog Rice. Love you know. And when you come away I got a country, I forgot Lambert. Big up Redmond in my country. Yeah. Big up Jeff, big up Joe Boy, big up Carleen. Yeah. In a foreign, big up Bev. Jeez, Carol grind over Itchings, Miss Joyce. I don't know if Miss Joyce was alive and Miss Monica, one of them died, but I think the spirit of them still lives on. So, may I bless up everybody in a foreign. Big up my brother Tyrone Sewell in a Wood Green. Big up Party, mad. Big up Ruth. I'm stopping at the shade right as I do the pizza. Big up Ruth, Natasha Sewell. Big up my sister Josephine Sewell at Trinidad. Yeah. And big up my sister Rachel, Rich Mexi, down in Africa, Sasha Mane. Big up Shirley Sewell down in Africa. Big up Sams and big up Dylan. Yeah, that's Adolphus kids them when you get to the lady down in Sasha Mane, Ethiopia. And big up my sister Patsy, Ivan Sewell in Canada in Brampton. Yeah, and big up my brother Tony in Canada. Big up my cousin Greedy. And big up Julian, my brethren. Big up yourself up in Canada, yeah. And big up all of my friends them, because I know today I'm Earth Strong. Yeah. I mean I know all for money, but Miss Kathleen Bryan. Superstar people them. Yeah. Always there for me 24 years now from KK and Belly. I know KK is pregnant, so you don't know. Big up all of my friends them who they are from and knows that Dog Rice ever had tried. Because today's birthday, feel nice. 30th of April.
1973 born.
Now I'm 48.
My mother dead 5 years now.
So I alone have mother dead. How am to you? Look, you get back your phone. See girl and take away your phone and take away your boombox. All your bumbo-clad memory chip gone.
Oh my God, do you have to swear?
Yeah, I them just thief my phone a while ago and thief all my boombox. Lucky me lucky, not more me nah say.